Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on substitution. To substitute, that means to replace variables in a given expression or equation with the designated values in order to evaluate the expression. What that means is we're going to take an expression and we're going to substitute a numerical value in place of a variable. So for the example that we have here, we have 2x plus 2. And this is telling us here what to substitute. So since this is x equals 4, wherever we see x, we're going to replace it with the number 4. So this now becomes 2 times 4 plus 2. So right here, there's 2x. There's no operation there. They're right next to each other. That shows multiplication. So now once I substitute, I'm going to solve it so I can find out what my answer is going to be. So we're just going to follow order of operations here. And I know that multiplication comes before addition. So I know 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to bring down that 2. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Here we have another example. Evaluate the following expression if x equals -1 and y equals 2. So we have 5x minus 3y plus 4. So now wherever we see x, we're going to replace that with -1. And wherever we see y, we are going to replace that with 2. So I'm going to now write that using my substitution. And I know my x now is -1. My y is 2, and I'll bring everything else down. Now I'm going to solve this using order of operations. So I know that 5 times -1 is going to get me -5. And here I have another set of multiplication. So this is telling me that -3 times 2 is going to give me -6. And now I'm going to bring down that plus 4. And I know in order of operations, once we get to addition and subtraction, we just move from left to right. So I'm going to do right here first. -5 minus 6. You have your calculators, you know your rules. So -5 minus 6 will get me to -11. And then I'm going to bring down that plus 4. And I'm going to finish this problem. -11 plus 4 will get me to -7.